how to get financial aid for online graduate degrees. Students working toward an online master's degree are not eligible for subsidized loans, and because loans received at the graduate level are unsubsidized, students begin accumulating interest immediately. Graduate and professional students can borrow up to $20,500 each year in direct unsubsidized loans and can use direct plus loans to pay for expenses not covered by financial aid, according to the US Department of Education. To apply for graduate program financial aid, follow the steps below. Number one, submit the free application for Federal Student Aid (FAFSA). First, you will want to create a Federal Student Aid (FSA) ID on FAFSA.gov, which you will need to access information on the U.S. Department of Education website. The FAFSA enrollment period opens on October 1 each year. Graduate schools and programs use the submitted information to determine eligibility for federal, state, and school sponsored financial aid. This part of the process requires applicants to collect and submit documents including bank statements and federal tax returns from previous years. And generally, the financial aid process for graduate students is similar to the undergraduate level. The biggest difference is that graduate students will almost always have to apply under independent status, regardless of their age and whether they will live with their parents. Therefore, parents' information will not need to be provided on the FAFSA. Fill out other financial aid forms. Some graduate schools or programs offer their own sources of need based and merit based aid, including scholarships. Applicants will likely need to fill out aid options on our respective program's website. Prospective online students can also search for organizations tied to their area of study that offer scholarships to graduate degree seeking students. Online learners are often eligible for the same scholarships as on campus students. Review and correct the student aid report. After receiving a student aid report, a few days after the submission of FEFSA, applicants should review their information to ensure everything is correct. This is a chance for students to correct any mistake on their form and add or remove graduate schools to which the application will be sent. Compare financial aid awards. Students should access the financial aid package offered by each institution and compare offers based on each school's tuition and additional costs. Reapply for aid each year. To receive financial aid on an annual basis, students need to submit the FAFSA each year for as long as they plan to continue as a student. How long does an online master's take? Many working adults want to complete their online graduate degree as quickly as possible so they can rapidly advance in their career. It can be helpful for those students to map out their path to graduation in advance so that they are prepared to integrate their coursework into their existing lifestyle. And A.U.S news survey of US news survey of schools looked at how much time it took students in ranked online master's degree programs to earn their degrees. The students were enrolled between July 2015 and June 2016 for online MBA and other graduate business students, as well as those studying students and education and information technology. The survey found an online graduate degree program most often takes 2 years to finish, and whereas engineering and nursing degrees usually take a bit longer at 3 years. The time it takes students to get an online graduate degree varies, with the most influential factors being whether there is flexibility in how many courses a student must take each term and whether he or she enrolls part time or full time. For instance, if a program is cohort based, students will need to stick to a set course roadmap established by the school, taking specific courses each term, with many of uh, same classmates, and if there is more flexibility in terms of scheduling, students can choose to take fewer classes during terms when they have conflicting work, family, or other personal obligations.